Good morning, I am here in Macclesfield area today, which is near Macclesfield Forest, and that's where I intend on going. But currently I am in Clough House car park, which is where I parked when I did the Three Shires Head walk, which was an absolutely wonderful hike, but that was in that direction, whereas today I am heading in this direction. First of all, there is a hill, rather big hill, let me just stand here, with a trig point on it right up there. It doesn't look very steep in the picture, but that is Shutlin Slough trig point. So my first destination today is to head up there. And the reason I'm doing that is because we have a storm coming today called Storm Dudley, and apparently it's going to hit the UK around about lunchtime. So I thought if I do that first and then head into the Macclesfield Forest area for a walk there afterwards, then hopefully I will avoid most of the winds, because apparently the wind speeds are going to get up to about 65 miles an hour, potentially up to 70 today. So that's going to be fun later. But it looks really nice at the moment. There is no rain, it's a little bit blustery, but so far it's okay. But it is only about 8:30 in the morning, so fingers crossed I managed to get this walk done before all the rain. But if it does start raining, I've got all my waterproofs, I've got all the right gear, so hopefully I will stay dry. Right, I'm going to head off and get up that hill. It's going to be a bit of a long buster by the looks of it, but at least it'll get me warmed up for the rest of the day. I made it to the top of Shutlin Slough, and there is the trig point there. The views are spectacular, but it looks like the storm is arriving early because the winds are shocking. I think all my videos at the moment are just me holding on to my hat because it's so windy. But yes, made it to the trig point, and now it's down into Macclesfield Forest. When you are out hiking in winter and cold conditions, I think one of the nicest things you can do for yourself is have a hot meal rather than just cold sandwiches or something like that. So I have decided to try this today, and it's by a company called Something Good, and this one is a chipotle cauliflower lentils. It's a plant-based company, and I've never tried their meals before, and I've actually got 3 of them to try, and I'm so excited to do this. So I'm going to boil some water, put this in for about 5 minutes, and then let you know what it tastes like. So I have already had probably half of this. I couldn't resist while it was warm. It is really tasty. You can see it here. So it is like a lentil dal really. It's mainly got cauliflower in it with red lentils, sun-dried tomatoes, which gives it a lovely tang, lots of herbs and spices, and a bit of a kick of chilli, which gives it a nice warming feeling, especially on a day like this. I would highly recommend this. It is gluten-free and vegan. The company is based in the UK called Something Good, and it is really tasty. You boil it in a pan or put it in a food flask and add hot water to it. So if you're doing it in a pan, it's about 5 minutes. In a food flask, it's a little bit longer and you can just leave it. You can even probably do it on a morning before you set off on your hike. But yes, it's very tasty. The reason why you don't put hot water straight into the bag and seal it up, like some of the other companies, is because currently they want to make sure that their packaging is recyclable, which is why they are saying boil it like this for now. And I think they are working on the packaging or something for future. But they're a relatively new company and it was lovely to try them. I first found these in Alpkit in Hathersage actually, in the Peak District, but you can order online I believe as well. But I will leave the details in the description box below for you. I'm going to finish eating this because it is so delicious. And then I will carry on hiking through Macclesfield Forest. I've just been walking through these woods and I am pretty sure I've just seen a bear. I'm not sure the camera's picking this up, but I think in the tree over here, you can probably just make it out. That's one thing I did not think we had in England was bears. So I don't know if there's been a zoo nearby or what, but I was not expecting to see a wild bear out here today. I'm going to keep my distance, but I'm going to try and zoom in on it for you. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. This is what happens when you walk on your own for too long. It is, of course, my little licorice bears that I've been eating on these walks recently. They are very tasty, but yes, black bear in the woods in England. Who knew? I have just made it out of Macclesfield Forest. Storm Dudley has arrived now. It is absolutely pouring it down and the winds have really picked up. So I'm going to say goodbye for now. I hope you've enjoyed the video and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.